All right, we have a 2023 Kia EV6. This is a wind rear-wheel drive, and this color is in gravity blue. All right. Starting things off, we'll take a look at the front. You can see we have a little bit of extra storage up here. Okay. Moving on now, here we have the charge port. Click here right over here, it'll just open up. Then as well, this button will close it. Nice. Moving on to the trunk. All right. A little bit of more room down here. Cool. And this is going to be automatic, so you just click that button. Moving on to the rear area. Let's take a look at the seats. All right. This one does have the Meridian surround system. You also have a USB-C over here and on this side. Moving on to the front. Here's your steering wheel, your cruise settings, your infotainment settings, and over here you can play with your different drive modes. Here's your screen in the front, infotainment screen. And then this one you can switch between the radio settings and then the climate control just with this button. Pretty cool. You have ventilated seats along with seat warmers. Very nice. Down here you got a little bit more room, USBs. Here we got a wireless phone charger, some more storage. All right.